Get excited about the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The 2011 Silverado has an advanced hydroformed front frame technology that delivers immense overall ride performance.
Once inside, the attention to safety and security is obvious. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities, such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and more. Additional available features include power windows, remote keyless entry, and others depending on your trim configuration.
Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers.
The 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Some vehicles just speak for themselves.